Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're totally pulling back the curtain on how AI chatbots actually work.
So let's dive right in. When you ask a chatbot a question, is it actually thinking?
Well, the reality? A large language model is just a giant probability engine, not a sentient mind.
To pull off this wild illusion of intelligence, it relies on three basic foundational ingredients.
First up, the data corpus. This is literally the massive ocean of human text it absorbs. Next is the architecture, specifically that underlying transformer network processing all of this crazy information. And finally, parameters. Basically, think of these as the billions of math connections inside the model.
Right, so with those props set up, how does this magic trick actually work?
It follows a strict process, tokenizing, crunching those probabilities, and then predicting the very next word.
Tokenization completely strips away human meaning. It just turns your words into pure structural data points.
From there, the engine just calculates and guesses the most mathematically probable next word. That's it.
It kind of blows your mind, right? Pure probability math. Literally no actual thinking involved at all.
But wait, if it's all just math, why do hallucinations happen? What's going on there?
Well, they happen precisely because it's a probability engine, not some rigid database of hard facts.
The model has no clue what's true. It only knows what word combinations look statistically correct.
So, knowing the secret behind the magic, how much trust are you putting in its next word?